Welcome back to Survival Thai for Travelers. Today's episode, Getting Around in Thailand. Let's start with some useful transportation words. Bus, รถเมล์ Taxi, taxi, Tuk-tuk, tuk-tuk, Train, รถไฟ BTS, รถไฟฟ้า Here are some more useful words. Ticket, ตั๋ว Station, สถานี How much, เท่าไหร่ Let's practice asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the BTS station? ขอโทษครับ ขอโทษค่ะ สถานีรถไฟฟ้าอยู่ที่ไหน If you want to buy a ticket, just say ขอตั๋ว1ใบค่ะ One ticket please. To ask a taxi to the airport, you can say ไปสนามบินเท่าไหร่ครับ How much to the airport? ตุกตุกสนุกมากเลยค่ะ Tuk-tuk is so fun. Quick tip for travelers. BTS or MRT, best for avoiding traffic. Taxi, always ask to turn on the meter. Tuk-tuk, fun ride but agree on the price first. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after me. รถเมล์ bus, taxi, taxi, ตั๋ว ticket. Now you can get around in Thailand easily. Great job! Don't forget to subscribe. See you in EP4. Eating out. Bye-bye.